Okay, hey, welcome to Paige Family Homestead. Today we are making candy bacon for Andy's restaurant, but in a different way than you've ever had before. It's actually a BLT we're going to be making. We're going to pimp up some mayonnaise as well for this sandwich as well, so stay with us. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to add a quarter cup of brown sugar. It doesn't have to be really dark, but if you want it darker, put a little more mayonnaise, molasses in there. Okay, and then half a cup of maple syrup goes in.
That stuff's liquid gold.
Liquid gold. And then get your handy mandy tool. Handy tool out.
Get every drop.
Every drop out of there, yep. So what we're going to do is mix that up a little bit. Remember, this is candy bacon. You've never had it before. Well, maybe you have, I don't know. Not Andy's way. Not
in Andy's restaurant, on a BLT.
So now, I'm going to take a quarter teaspoon of smoked paprika. Well, this is going to be so good. You're going to love this. And then a quarter teaspoon of cayenne pepper. We are pimping this up. This BLT up. There. Into there. And then, just when you thought it was over, no. We're going to put a quarter teaspoon of black powder.
Black powder.
Pepper.
Yeah. Guaranteed.
It's hunting season's there. Black powder's hunting season. Remember, the slip of the tongue is no fault of the mind. Okay, so now we take the handy mandy Dan tool and
handy dandy Andy man tool.
Yeah, but I can't say that. That's too much for my little brain. There. Taking a no time flat, it's done. It's done because...
Should we be preheating the oven?
We should be at 350.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you know how?
I do.
Got another video coming up right there, guys.
What, I don't know how to start an oven?
No! The roaster.
Okay. Well, hey, who knows? Okay, what we're going to do now...
You know what? Probably be a good one.
Yeah, probably. I'm going to take the bacon, dip it in the sauce, just like this. Oh, it's going to be sticky. Both sides. Right. Bring the bowl over to it, as I've been told. And lay the bacon. Is it this way?
Yeah, I don't know.
Or does it go this way?
I don't know.
Leave a comment below. Which way would you put this bacon? Oh, there was a slice in there. Look at that. They sneaked in on me.
They don't cut them very thick, do they?
No. This is from that wild African boar I killed. Yeah,
How many are you doing? A whole pound?
Well, I'm going to do as many out of a pound as I can. Okay, so I've got the bacon. It's about a pound of bacon. I've got 2 trays here to go, and I'm going to put them in the oven for 10 minutes. And then we're going to flip them and baste them again. Doesn't that sound good? Oh
yes.
My God. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. First tray in. I had to move the rack up a bit. They were too tight. So, here's the other one. There. Ta-da! And we'll bring you back in 10 minutes. Okay, while we're waiting for the bacon to go, we're making a BLT. Remember that? It's a Andy's Restaurant special BLT. So what we're going to do is we're going to make the mayonnaise. We're going to pimp up the mayonnaise for this sandwich. So I've got about half a cup of mayonnaise.
Hellman.
Hellman's mayonnaise. And I got this from Michelie. She sent me that. Thank you very much. But I really tried to use the width, and it just doesn't work for me. Man tool is just so much better. Okay, so I'm going to put this in here.
You got some
with
basil.
Some basil. I got
Kitchen
basil right there, kitchen basil.
Yeah.
Right?
Tomatoes and basil.
Oh, they go together hand in hand, no doubt. No doubt.
Give this a couple whirls and stick her in the fridge to wait.
Yep. While we're waiting to do the bacon. There we go. Put that in there.
Noisy, isn't he?
Sorry, what?
Noisy, aren't you?
I am.
Let's see if you know how to use this. Oh, you do. Do you?
Is there an arrow? There we go. There we go. Okay, we got Hellman's mayonnaise and basil, home garden basil in there, window basil, and then we're just gonna mix this all up. My handy dandy chopper. Where's that pot liquor? A few pieces I just wanted to get down there.
Oh, it smells so nice.
Oh,
I love basil.
Sure, no. Oh, look at it. That's coming along nicely. There we go. So, and while you're taking the lid off to do this, unplug it. Why, Andy's safety tip of the day. There we go. Okay, put that in there.
Nice and chilled.
Oops. I'm not left-handed.
There you go. Once you know which way it turns, it's a piece of cake.
Look at that, folks. Isn't that just gorgeous?
Oh, you know what that says?
No, what does that do?
Let me taste.
Oh, makes you hungry, doesn't it?
Oh my Lord.
Don't call me that.
Go this way. There we go. All right. Back to the bacon.
Okay, yeah, not yet.
No?
Let's get all this out.
Oh, I thought you had it.
No.
See what happens when you look through the camera lens? You miss so much.
I know.
Andy, we really need to change Love Clock away from Christmas music.
I thought I did.
Oh, you did! Yay! Yay!
Okay.
What's the name of this one? I haven't heard it for so long.
That's bread. It's called bread. It's for a group called Bread.
Ah.
Okay, so now we have our Mayo. Let me taste it now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That is perfect for tomato and bacon and tomato sandwiches. Pimped at Andy's restaurant. Oh yeah. Okay, alrighty. Now I'm just going to cut up a tomato here.
And where, sir, did you happen to get a tomato that lovely in the dead of winter?
Oh, it's from our winter garden. I had to dig through a whole bunch of snow to get it. And we will show you one day our winter garden again.
Our 2021 winter garden.
Yes.
I think we need more snow.
Yes. Okay, and we'll bring you back when things are ready.
Oh, bacon's off the racks, or the pans rather. They were surprisingly easy to clean with hot running water.
Yeah.
Wasn't so bad.
What I'm doing right now, the bacon's all done, it's over here. And then I'm going to just heat up the pan and I'm going to toast our buns.
Because it's too cold outside.
My buns need cold. So,
You're really pimping this sandwich up.
we have to, because this is Andy's restaurant. Andy's restaurant just doesn't have normal stuff. We have to make the food where people want to eat it. So, I'm gonna heat up these buns like this. And I'll bring it back as soon as they're heated up.
There you go.
Okay, there we go. Now I've always liked butter on mine. A lot of people don't, but I do. But at Andy's restaurant, you can have it any way you want. Because you can get anything you want at Andy's restaurant. Dun dun dun. And you just want mayonnaise, Peggy?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, the golden mayonnaise.
Golden. It's
Well,
green.
I call it a golden. Watch that thing, it's hot. Tell me
Oh,
when.
this is going to be so good.
Got enough
Yep.
for you? Okay. Oh, yeah.
You don't find a BLT like this anywhere.
No, you don't. Okay, so now we're going to get the candied bacon. Look at it. Oh, it's
You pulled it away from the camera.
Sorry. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful?
Yes.
Wow. It's a beautiful bacon sandwich. Candied bacon
BLT.
B.L.T. Yes. Look at that. Beautiful.
Our phones are going like crazy.
They must know about the sandwich I'm making.
Oh, guys, we snitched a piece of this.
Now, I don't know about you, Peg, but I like a little bit of salt on my tomatoes.
So you're going to...
But I don't have salt. I use mine.
fake salt.
Fake salt.
The lettuce.
A little bit of lettuce.
Perfect.
Okay. Would you like some mayonnaise on the back
Yes,
side of your bun?
please.
Oh, bun.
I mean,
Well, that came
it's
out wrong.
totally, low calorie meal here. Might as well pimp it up.
Yeah.
Someone's going to go, that was not low cal. That's right, it's not.
That's right. Low-cal to me.
Oh, beautiful.
There. Do this side here.
I can't wait to try this.
I know.
You cutting yours?
Yep, I'll cut them in a second here.
Oh, look at those candy goodies.
Alrighty. Now.
He didn't want to serve it with fries.
No, I didn't want to. This is breakfast.
Well, breakfast for us.
I can't, yeah.
It's not breakfast.
There we go.
All right.
Look at this, folks.
Ah.
Remember, at Andy's restaurants.
Wait,
this
let
is
me
what
get
you
in
get.
there and have a look at that. Those.
No,
No,
smells
you
good.
gotta stop moving it away from them. You're teasing. Oh yeah.
Wah, 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 wah. Are we ready?
Yeah. The basil and the mayo.
Oh
The
yeah.
sweetness. You can just barely catch that cayenne pepper.
Yeah, it hits the back of your tongue. Very lightly though.
Yeah.
But when you blend it all together, it's really good, really good.
So is that on the menu?
This is on the menu.
Served with the fries?
You would love this. Fries. Yeah, you could. Very good. I knew I'd need this. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. leave a comment below. And hopefully you try this. And don't forget that notification bell. Ding, 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 ding.
Pimp up your sandwich.
Pimp it all up. Come on, you can do it. Give us a comment.
Candied bacon.
If you tried it, yeah.
Oh. Look at our little babies. Our bad girls. Our mean girls. Loving lettuce midday. Did I not bring it out quick enough for you? You're complaining. Get in there and have some, sweetie. We love these girls.